All right, we're in week 6 now. You should at this point have a great down, at least be working on it and the dog understands it. Great sit, stay, come, name response, let's go, right turn, left turn. If you haven't, then stop this tape and go back to your homework and make sure that you get to that point before you do week 6. You want success for you and the dog and fun. Week 6 is all about getting again to the next level with the dog, and that is the off leash. Off leashes with a leash in the beginning. When I can let this leash literally hang and drag and I can ask any command, then I have an off leash dog. Now in this program, you're not going to get to that level, but you should be able to, with the long line, ask for a recall, be able to see a sit with just a verbal command. We're going to go ahead and do the downstay and build up a distance. I have my long line attached to my regular 6-foot leash, or 4-foot for this one, intentionally. You're used to working with a leash, so we need to get you working with the long line, but I want you starting at leash length and then working your way out on your long line. So we're going to ask him to sit, so it's a verbal sit, sit. If I didn't get the sit, what do I do? Yell? Or do I place him in a sit? Right, you place him in a sit. So it'd be sit. If you're introducing the stay, that's fine, or use a verbal stay, but make sure you understand you use them both separately. Down, you can use your hand signal at this point. If I don't get a response, I'll go right on the top of that leash. Stay. Now, remember, here's my leash for visual. I need to be able to see that this is what we're used to. That's what he's used to. So I'm building, get in there as quick as you can. That's why you want to be close. Down. Stay. Now, since he got up, I'm going to go ahead and give him one more treat to keep him there. Now I'm going to do a few little of these exercises. Good, stay. This builds the reason, gives him a reason to be there, just like a bonus gives us a reason to do even better. You got to think in those terms. Dogs don't do things for free. Now I've built maybe about 7 feet, 8 feet. Good, stay. So that would be low distraction. I don't have a lot of distraction with this. I'm teaching my distance stay. I don't want a lot of distraction. I want success. So my goal is, again, to be able to move, maybe go sit down on the grass. Good, stay. Clap my hands. Hi, bub. That's a perfect distraction. Place them right back into a down stay. Keep the hands on those leash. If I had a bunch of dogs run by right now and I wasn't prepared, where do you think he might cruise? Then that changes the whole thing. I've been a great distraction moment. So you want to be prepared as a trainer. Now, downstays can go up to 20, 30 minutes. They will get up and down off of that in that time frame of training. Don't expect a perfect downstay yet. With downstay, you can now add a tether. So tethers you can do outside, the steel tethers that go into the ground. You can tether your leash to the end of a heavy couch, not something that will move. And this is how you'll begin to build a distance hands-free. So you want to be able to say stay. He's going to have to stay. Even if he gets up, he'd be tethered. And I'd walk back. Good. I have an imaginary tether just because we're taping. But you really want to always make sure you do have a tether, and you downstay in the kitchen, the family room, outside, different places. If I just practice this here, this is the only place he might do the downstay really well. So make sure that you do this in all environments. Have the kids throw things. And if you do, you make it for success. Never go farther than you have success. So let's say if I go all the way to my end of my long line and I add distractions and he fails. Do I continue calling him a stubborn dog and then try it again from that distance? As a trainer, you got to stop and ask these questions. No, you want to go back to where he has success and make it just a little bit harder the next time, and you just keep increasing it like that. Just like you would want someone to train you, all righty? Good job, good stay. Okay.